Welcome back, brain hackers! In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of neurohacking and exploring how we can maximize our dopamine levels for increased productivity, motivation, and overall well-being. So grab your notepads, because we're about to hack into the secrets of your brain. Before we start, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in our brain's reward and pleasure centers. By understanding how it works, we can learn to optimize our activities and habits to stimulate dopamine production. Let's get started. Step 1 is understanding the power of goal setting. When we set clear and achievable goals, it releases dopamine in our brains, giving us a natural high and a sense of accomplishment. So grab a pen and paper and start writing down those goals. Whether it's big dreams or small milestones, having goals keeps our brains engaged and motivated. Break them down into actionable steps, and as you achieve each step, you'll experience a dopamine rush that propels you forward. Now that you've set your goals, it's time to tap into the power of novelty. Our brains love new experiences because they trigger dopamine release. Trying something new stimulates our brain's reward system and keeps us motivated. So make it a point to learn a new skill, explore unfamiliar places, or even change up your daily routine to keep that dopamine flowing. It could be as simple as trying a new hobby, visiting a new restaurant, or taking a different route to work. Embrace the adventure and embrace the dopamine. Up next, we have exercise. Not only does physical activity keep our bodies healthy, but it also boosts dopamine levels. When we exercise, our brains release endorphins, which are known as the feel-good chemicals. These endorphins, in turn, stimulate dopamine production. So get up, get moving, and let those endorphins and dopamine flood your brain. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's running, cycling, yoga, or swimming. The key is to engage in activities that get your heart rate up and make you break a sweat. Your brain and body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about something we all love. Food. Did you know that certain foods can boost dopamine production? That's right. Foods like dark chocolate, bananas, and nuts contain nutrients that promote dopamine release in our brains. So treat yourself to these delicious snacks while boosting your brain's happiness chemicals. It's a win-win situation. Additionally, it's important to pay attention to your overall diet and lifestyle choices. Eating a balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables provides the necessary nutrients for optimal brain function. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, as they can disrupt dopamine regulation and lead to fluctuations in mood and motivation. Alongside nutrition, quality sleep plays a crucial role in dopamine regulation. When we get enough restful sleep, our brains have a better chance to restore and optimize dopamine levels. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and free of distractions. Prioritizing quality sleep will have a positive impact on your overall brain health and dopamine production. Lastly, let's not forget the power of human connection and social interaction. Engaging in meaningful relationships and spending time with loved ones can significantly boost dopamine levels. Whether it's having a heartfelt conversation, sharing laughter, or simply enjoying each other's company, these social interactions activate the reward centers in our brains, leading to the release of dopamine. So, make time for your friends and family and nurture those relationships for a happy and dopamine-rich life. And there you have it, brain hackers. By incorporating these hacks into your daily life, setting goals, embracing novelty, exercising, enjoying music, eating dopamine-boosting foods, prioritizing sleep, and fostering social connections, you can optimize your dopamine levels, increase your productivity, and enhance your overall happiness. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more brain-boosting content, and remember to stay curious and keep hacking your brain.